Did you know that the personal computer's arrival transformed how we interact with technology forever? In the late 1970s, visionary figures like Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs created the Apple II. This groundbreaking machine brought color graphics, a user-friendly interface, and a keyboard to homes. Before the Apple II, computers were mainframes, reserved for businesses, universities, and the elite. The Apple II's launch in 1977 ignited a wave of interest and ambition among tech enthusiasts. Competing models emerged, such as the Tandy TRS-80 and Atari 800, expanding consumer options. These machines democratized computing, allowing everyday people to write, program, and play games. By the early 1980s, personal computers became household staples, paving the way for digital revolution.